Hello, in this video I will show you how to apply for TikTok Creative Program. So it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly go to your browser. Now you can do this on your Android device as well, but we are going to do it on browser because it is much easier. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to first click on this option and add a new user right over here. Then click on sign in and then simply add a new account right over here. Now once you have created your new account right over here, as you can see, you will have no previous cookie. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to add a VPN. You can get a free VPN from the web store over here, or just simply get a paid VPN because that would be much better. But in this video I will show you how to use this with a free VPN. So just simply search for a VPN called Urban VPN. Then just simply open this right over here. Now just simply add this to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now click on this option and pin it right over here. After that, click on it. Now wait for a few seconds and click on agree and continue. After that, choose the country. So in this case, I will say just simply pick anything from Europe because only then you can create your account without any problems. You can also choose other countries like US and stuff, but we are choosing US, and if you want a US audience, you will need to give the US tax details, which I will presume that most of you do not have. So if you apply for the creative program from any European country, then you will be able to bypass the tax problem, but there will be simple con that you will not be getting the US audience, at least until you are very big and popular and your videos are pushed worldwide. So that's the only con in this process. Or if you have a US tax info, you can just simply choose US over here and complete the same process. So in this case, I'm going to choose UK. Now wait for a few seconds. After your VPN is all connected, as you can see right over here, it's time to create your new TikTok account. So just simply search for TikTok. Now open your TikTok right over here. So what you have to do is just simply click on sign up, then continue with Google account. Then choose the Google account that you just created for this particular browser. Then enter your password. After that, complete the verification process. Or if the Google doesn't work, you can also use this one over here. Use phone and email. And this will complete the process right over here. And over here, instead of phone, you just need to use email address. Then enter your password. Then the OTP will be sent to your email address. Just simply copy and paste that right over here and click on next. Then once you have completed the login process, you can just simply go to the profile page and you can just simply enter into the creative program. Then all you have to do is just simply add your payment method, which will be PayPal. So once you will complete the process, you are good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.